Kodi Beach is a serene and picturesque coastline situated in the small town of Kodi, near Udupi in Karnataka, India. Kodi Beach is a paradise for birdwatchers. The mangrove forests and estuary attract a wide variety of resident and migratory birds. Some of the common migratory birds include kingfishers, herons, egrets, sandpipers, Eurasian curlew and whimbrel. The beach has become even more attractive because of the Delta Point, where few rivers meet the Arabian Sea. At the Delta Point, not one or two, but 5 rivers merge. Souparnika, Chakra, Kubja, Varahi, and Kedaga are the rivers.